Hey, it's Greg here. This video, I'm going to show you how to remove the brake vacuum booster. And if you've not already done so, you got to take the master cylinder off, 2 bolts, well, 2 nuts, and if you can, just have some wood or something under it to hold it up. Otherwise, you're going to have to take the lines off. If you take these off, you're going to have to bleed the master cylinder again. I've already pulled the vacuum line out, and there are 4 nuts. Two on each side, right here, and then there's one below it. You're going to want to take those off. Now hit it with some penetrant to loosen those up first. While that's setting, we got to go in and work on the brake pedal. So tuck back way up in here, your brake pedal, you see the rod that goes in here, that goes into the booster. Now, right here on the side of the mechanism, right here where my finger is, there's a clip, should be there. It looks like this. Yeah, mine was so rusted it broke when I was pushing it out with a screwdriver. So it's out now. However, in my case, this is so rusted I can't get the pen to slide. And I don't know if you can see, that's the other side of it. So I'm going to be trying to knock that pin out this direction, and that will free that up. With it disconnected from the brake pedal, and I will show you more how I did that when I pull it out. We now need to remove these bolts, these nuts, and I've already broken them loose. Mine weren't actually that tight. Remove all but this top right one, closest to you, first. Try not to drop the nut. All right, now this one is easy to get to, so take it out last, and it holds it in place. And it should pull right out. There it is. You notice I don't have that U that went over, that this went into, and then that pin went through. So this is your adjustment. And what I ended up doing, I could not get that pin out. It's just rusted solid and it's breaking up. And so instead I backed this nut all the way to the end of the threads and kept turning, and it just pulled, unscrewed this rod. And like I say, that's how you would adjust your brake pedal, by how putting that in and out, and the nut should be up against it when you're done. All right, that's all there is to it. So that's how you get them out. And by the way, I am tearing everything off of the Chevelle. So if there's a video that you want to see how to do something, let me know in the comments. And if this was helpful, do me a favor, take 5 minutes. 5 minutes, open your Bible. If you don't have a Bible, there's a Bible app. There's a bunch of them out on the interwebs. 5 minutes, just start reading. Yeah, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. God bless.